Let's start our session by taking a comfortable position. Settle into your seat with a tall, straight back. Rest your hands in an easy, effortless way. When you are ready, close your eyes. Bring a soft smile to the corners of your lips, relaxing the tongue at the root so it rests in the lower palate easily and gently. Feel the full length of your body relax. Feel the full length of your body relax. Now take a few deep breaths, really filling up the lungs and chest. Feel your chest expand on the inhale, and as you release the breath, feel the chest contract. Notice all the air releasing. Then inhaling deeply, again feeling the lungs and chest. Up, up, up. Release the slow exhale. Letting go, letting go, letting go. Now, return to the natural rhythm of the breath, taking notice of where can you feel the breath most distinctively as it moves in and out of your body. Follow the rhythmic movement of the breath wherever you notice it most strongly. Stay with the entire length of the breath, from the beginning to the middle to the end. Just notice if your mind has gotten caught up in thoughts. As we sit, we want to do our best to remain present and refrain from getting carried away by our thoughts. At the same time, we don't want to push thoughts away. So we can simply notice them and silently say to ourselves, thinking in a calm way. When thoughts enter our mind, we say to ourselves, thinking, and we allow the thought to drift away, not avoiding it, not getting lost in it, just noticing it and gently showing it the door. This way, we prevent our thoughts from taking us on a ride. Allow the breath to move through you. Pay it your full attention, and as thoughts arise, note you are thinking and come back to yourself, to your breath. Anytime thoughts arise, silently note them. They could be thoughts about any kind, worrying, planning, or ruminating. You might notice thoughts about why you aren't noticing as many thoughts as you think you should be. We are not looking for thoughts. We are just being aware of them. Try not to label them as good or bad, pleasant or unpleasant. Just treat all the thoughts the same. See if you can observe them without identifying with them. Try not to inject a story so there is no added description or valuation. Just view all thoughts as passing events. They stay for a while and disappear. View them as visitors. Acknowledge their presence and then in a friendly way show them the door. Let go of each thought and come back to the breath.
Instrument, a tool. It is there to be used for a specific task, and when the task is completed, you lay it down. As it is, I would say about 80 to 90% of most people's thinking is not only repetitive and useless, but because of its dysfunctional and often negative nature, much of it is also harmful. Observe your mind and you will find this to be true. It causes a serious leakage of vital energy. This kind of compulsive thinking is actually an addiction. What characterizes an addiction? Quite simply this: you no longer feel that you have the choice to stop. It seems stronger than you. It also gives you a false sense of pleasure. Pleasure that invariably turns into pain. So ask yourself, why should you be addicted to thinking?
And as we end today's session, expand your awareness to the sounds in the room. Slowly wriggle your toes. Move your fingers, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes.